Hi friends, I'm Ishan and let's have some maths fun. In the last video, we learned how to multiply any two-digit number by 11. For example, to multiply 12 by 11, we will write those two digits with a space between 1 and 2, the two digits of 12, and then we will add the sum of the two digits in between. So it becomes 1, 1 plus 2, 2. Since 1 plus 2 is 3, we know that it can become 1, 3, 2, which is 12 times 11. To multiply numbers which are larger than 2 digits by 11, we will first have to write the first and last digits of the number. For example, here we are multiplying 4, 3, 5, 6. So the first and last digits are 4 and 6. So we will now fill in the blanks which we have inserted between them using the sums with the sums of the consecutive digits. For example, 6 plus 5 is 11, so 1 carry over. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 carry over 9, so 9, and 3 plus 4 is 7. 791. So that's our answer. 47916. We can check that with the calculator that we have opened here. See, 47916 times 4 3 3 5 6 times 11 equals 47916. Now let's learn how to check for any number for divisibility by 8. In the last video, we learned how to check any number for divisibility by 4. We check if the last two digits of the number are divisible by 4. Here, to check if any number is divisible by 8, we will check if the last three digits are divisible by 8. For example, is 12168 divisible by 8? The last three digits of 12168 are 168. So we will divide it by 8 and see if it is divisible. Since 168 is divisible by 8, so is 12168. Let's see if that is correct. As you can see, it is easily divisible. Now let's see if 1298 is divisible by 8. The last three digits of 1298 are 298. So we can divide that by 8 to check if it is divisible by 8. As we can see, it is not divisible by 8. So our original number is not divisible by 8 as well. Let's check. As you can see, it is not divisible by 8. Now let's learn how to check any number for divisibility by 9. In the last video, we learned how to check if any number is divisible by 3. We add up all the digits and check if that sum is divisible by 3. Here, we will have to add up all the digits and then add up all the digits of the answer and then continue doing that until we get a single digit number. And if that single digit number is 9, the number is divisible by 9. For example, is 1665 divisible by 9? Let's see. 1 plus 6 plus 6 plus 5 is 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. And since we got 9 at the end, it is divisible. Similarly, we can see if 2, 3, 4 is divisible by 9. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9. And since we got 9 here, it is divisible. Now let's check if 1999 is divisible by 9. 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 is 19. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. Since we got 1 at the end instead of 9, it is not divisible. Let's check. As you can see, it is clearly not divisible. Clearly not divisible. Now here's a very interesting one. To multiply any number by 5, we have to let's learn how to multiply any number by 5. To multiply any number by 5, first check if the number is even or odd. If it is even, for example 624 times 5, then divide the number by 2 and place a 0 at the end. For example, 624 times 5 will be 624 by 2, which is 300. 624 by 2, which is 312. So 624 times 5 will be 3120 because we have to add a 0 at the end. But if the number is odd, for example 625 times 5, then we divide the number. First we subtract 1 from the number and then we divide it by 2. After that we simply place a 5 at the end. For example, 625 times 5 is 625 minus 1, which is 624. 624 by 2, 312. So 625 times 5 is 312 and a 5 at the end, because we have to add a 5 at the end if it is odd. Let's check these examples in the calculator. 624 times 5 equals 3120, just like we saw. And 625 times 5 equals 3125, just like we have calculated it. Hope you liked it. Remember to subscribe.